It's almost New Year's Eve, and I know you want to have something really fun for that New Year's Eve party. So I have my littles with me today. They're part of my quarantine. My little Paisley and my little Chef Olive. You girls want to help me make something fun?
Yeah!
Yes! Okay! Boy, that was a lot of fun. Okay, we're going to make New Year's Eve poppers. You know how we have those poppers and we pop them open and when the confetti goes all over the place?
Yeah, but we're gonna make one that we can eat.
Oh, I like that even better, don't you? Okay, so we're gonna use these crescent rolls. I want you each to put one into the cup like this. Okay, can you do that for me with yours? Okay, let's put them in there. Really no bad way to do it. Just, oh, don't, except for that. That's kind of the bad way. Make them smooth like this. Flat, okay? We'll do that one. Put that one over there. We don't need that one anyway. Put them flat like this. Very nicely done, Paisley. There you go. Good. Can you put two more in here for me, Paisley? Nice job, Olive. Very good, very good. Very good. We need one more. That's all. Great. Okay, now let's take the rest of them. These are going to be so much fun. We're gonna have a lot of people over for New Year's Eve, aren't we? Okay, and so we're gonna put sauce in this and pepperoni in this. They're called poppers though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but does this remind you of anything? What does this, all these ingredients remind you of, Olive?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza!
Pizza!
Oh, yes, okay, yay!
Pizza!
Okay, so now let's take a little bit of garlic butter. You take the brush, and can you brush the edges of all of those for me? And then we're going to put a little bit of garlic. I'm going to do the garlic. Is that okay with you, Chef?
I'm gonna do the
You want to do the garlic? Okay. Just a tiny little sprinkle, though, okay? Tiny little sprinkle. Go ahead. Just a little sprinkle. Little bit, little bit, little bit. Good job. Let me help you. We'll just go boom, 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 boom. Good job. Okay. Now we're on to the sauce. We need a little sauce in our pizza, don't we? Right, Olive?
Yeah.
Okay. You get to do the sauce. Put a little bit of sauce in each cup.
No fair.
Would you? You get to do the pepperoni. Sitting there, you go, Chef. Okay, you take a piece of pepperoni.
And put them in.
Let's wait. I'm gonna do the cheese. Hold on. Oh, very good. A little more sauce there. Good job, Olive. Okay, a little more sauce in that one. Great. Okay, Paisley, you ready? Want to put some pepperoni in here?
Yeah.
Okay, you put them on top of my cheese. Good job. Keep going. Let's keep on. I'll put them over here because it's a little far for you. There. Pretty easy, huh? So far, this is pretty simple, isn't it? I think everyone will be so excited to pop these in their mouths for New Year's Eve, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. I think we've got them all. Good job on the sauce. You want to put some cheese in each one? Very nice. I'll spin them around for you. Good job. You want to put some on this side? Good, I'll help you. Put one pepperoni in each one. Ooh, a double layer. That's gonna be fun. She had double layers on there. I have the oven already baking at 400 degrees.
I'll double layer.
You want a double layer? Okay. Let's put one on there.
What's a double layer?
Well, you know, you can never have too much, right? So we can put two
Stick
pepperoni.
it together and just put it in.
Sure, or we do this. You stick one like this, you hold that. You hold this, you hold that, I'll hold this one. And then you do this. Look. Try it.
Oh.
Try it. Ooh, pretty good? Good. All right. We have more to do on this, girls.
Good.
Okay, now I need some help. Ready to help me? Okay, we're gonna take the edges. We're just gonna pinch them all together. Pick it up, pinch it together. You eat your pepperoni and I'll help you out here for a minute, okay? Can you help me? You finished? Okay. Help me out. Let's pinch. Are you just gonna eat pepperoni? Okay, fine. I'll just keep pinching. You guys can eat your pepperoni. You wanna help me, Olive? Okay. Now that's what makes these a little popper, right? If we just pull them together, make a little pocket. Are you taking a break? Are you taking a break? No, you're helping me, aren't you? Okay.
I'm taking a break.
Okay, Paisley. She's taking a break. Pinching them, almost
More
done.
like-
One more. Okay, that looks pretty good. How about if we pop them in the oven? You ready,
Yeah.
girls? 1, 2, 3, clap. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Okay. Okay. Ooh, these are hot.
Yeah.
New Year's Eve poppers. What do you guys think, huh? Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. I've let a couple of them cool. There's one for you. And this one for you.
Mine's upside down.
Ooh. Oh no, I think that's perfect.
Ooh.
We'll put one right here. These were really easy to make. We just had crescent rolls, little pizza sauce, and a little pepperoni in the middle. And then we can even put a little Parmesan cheese on top. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Make them look extra special. Would you like to sprinkle some on top? Okay.
I would like some to eat.
Okay, go ahead and eat it. Little parm on top. Good. Thanks, Olive. Oh, what do you think of that, Paisley? Good?
Try it
Some on
on.
yours. Boop.
Try the cheese.
What do you think? Yeah. Ooh, something special for New Year's Eve. You think everyone's gonna like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a try. Take a try. You wanna bite mine? That was it good? I like them. What do you think? That's what's for supper. Happy New Year!